Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will show with you how to add the payments method on AutoDs. So guys, after logging your account, click this option start dropshipping and choose your platform here. Click your Google account. For example, I want to sign up with my Google account. Wait to loading this page. After that, just wait guys, choose the selling platform, and from here select the plan guys, this for example this plan, and from here select your payment method. You have Payoneer and you have PayPal, and if you want to add a credit card, Visa or MasterCard, write your credit card here, your card number, CFVC or country here. After that, if you have add PayPal, add click this PayPal option, and you will redirect to your PayPal account. You redirect to your PayPal account and set up your account here. And this is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another one.